part 2 of chapter 6. Husam once made his obeisance to Jalal, and related to him that when the disciples recited the poetry of the Mesnevi and became entranced, he had himself seen a company of invisible ones, armed with clubs and scimitars, keeping guard over them. If anyone did not listen to those sacred words with reverence and believing, the clubs and swords were brought into play, and he was hurled into the pit of hellfire. Jalal confirmed as being a fact all Husam had related. And by obeisance, let's not forget that Islam doesn't allow the bowing and the prostrating before people. And there's the delayed effect, right? If it's expected to be respectful and believing upon a certain occasion, I mean, actually, not just what people say, yeah, some things will happen later as a result if one doesn't believe and repent or whatever.